I/O 2026, Google announced the concept of search agents and information agents, and those are now rolling out in your AI mode. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Search agents are those who work in the background 24/7 and intelligently reason across information to find exactly what you need at exactly the right moment. Meanwhile, information agents are the first type and help users stay updated on whatever matters most. Google will search blogs, news sites, social posts, and other web content, as well as real-time finance, shopping, and sports information to monitor for changes related to your specific question. The end result is a synthesized update with the ability to take action. Google gave one example, which involves listing your requirements for an apartment and having the agent notify you when there are new listings that meet your needs. It has a main advantage over the Gemini app's scheduled actions, which you can use up to once a day, or Gemini Sparks, which is available every 15 minutes. You can even set intervals at which search agents can deliver updates. But remember to include "keep me updated on" or "alert me when" in your prompt to trigger it. Information Agent is available for all AI mode languages and markets. Meanwhile, search agents will be coming to Google AI Pro this summer, but there is a catch. Information agents are only available for Google AI Ultra subscribers, which costs around $99.99 per month. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.